back out here in the shop. If you guys caught last week's video, you guys know that the doors are here. And we are going to open them up and check them out, make sure that they're the correct doors. It is written on the doors, or on the boxes, you know, 81 to 86 Monte Carlo, right hand, left hand. But we're just gonna double check, make sure they're the right doors, make sure that there is a right hand and a left hand door, and make sure that there is no major damage to them. As you can see, they came on skids. They're in boxes that are strapped to the skids, wrapped in plastic. Nothing looks like it's majorly damaged on the outside. So hopefully we'll be okay. You know, the boxes are a little crinkled up here and there, but nothing that I can see that is obvious. But yeah, let's go ahead and open these up, check these out. So, it's gonna walk around, show, like you can see the box is crushed there a little bit. You know, you can see the box is kind of crushed here. You can see some kind of animal was walking around up here. All right, let's get these straps cut and get this off the skid, or able to be removed off of the skid. That looks like a door. I don't see any major damage. I see a ding right there, but I'm okay with that. You know, no corners folded over, no big dents. That's what I was looking for. Now, basically, I guess I gotta pull one of the old doors out and just make sure that they match the old door. So we'll be right back. Let me grab the old door and let me check that. Okay, I'm just looking. I kind of uncovered this door here, and it, you know, looks the same to me. Door handle and door lock look to be in the same spot. Got a, you know, giant body line through, you know, the lower portion of the door. Yeah, I'm gonna say that that looks like the correct door. You know, I guess we won't know until we actually go to install them, but it looks correct to me. I think we're looking pretty good. I think so. All right, I'm gonna get that door up on a stand here, and we'll open up this next door and we'll check that one. Be right back. All right, let's open up this next one. Time to get busy. I could just cut this with the razor blade, but I need the extra size. Quick walk around the box real quick. And you can kind of see there's a little smushy in the box there. And it looks like maybe it was dropped on that corner. There is some marks there, which I'm not. Those worry me. Some there too. A little bit, looks like something hit down there. Tire or somebody's foot, I don't know. So, alright, let's open this one up and let's check it. You know, I don't like seeing gouges and rips in the box like that, because, you know, that's how you end up with dents. So, it looks to me like that other box was opened. Because this one is taped up underneath these, which the other one wasn't. Of course, the side that has the holes and the damages on the box is on the face of the door. So okay, so at first looks here, it looks like everything's okay. I don't see no major damage. yeah, I think we're in the clear. So, I'll get this up on a stand and we'll double check it. Like I said, that there's a small ding right here in this one. And then I can see right here along this edge, it looks like this bottom edge has a crease in it right here. Like this edge got folded over a little bit. But these things will get banged around and body worked before we paint. So trust me, I have been in the automotive industry for 30 years, 30 plus years, right? No, about 30 years. And yeah, I've seen way worse. And I've had to fix way worse. We just did, you guys haven't got to see the videos yet, but last year Colleen hit a deer with her truck, and we just fixed that. And the fender actually showed up, and it was like folded in half like 3 times. And not necessarily folded in half, but it was pretty beat up. And we had to repair that fender. So yeah, I've seen worse, I've fixed worse. Way better than what we had, that's for sure. Now, quarter panels and hood still on back order, still waiting. So hopefully they will show up soon. Hopefully they will show up as in good a shape as these doors did. And I gotta tell you, like, the old doors off of this Monte Carlo are like super heavy. They still got all the window mechanisms in them. They're full of body work and caulk and seam sealer and I mean over amounts of it, because people were using caulk and seam sealer to fill in rust. So there's extra. And those doors. When I picked this door up to put this door on the stand, it is super heavy. So not a cheaply made part. I was half expecting these doors to be half the weight of an original door. Just being with the way things are made these days. And it was not. That is one heavy door. So that's good. I think we got some good parts. Original parts group for the win so far. I'm happy with what I'm seeing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and if you can, go down below and hit that hype button. See you guys in the next one. I'm out.